All right, today we're looking at the full work of curve dissection. That means using all the information we've found so far and creating a sketch of this graph. All right, now that starts with anything we might be able to find. I tend to start with the y-intercept. We can find the y-intercept by just plugging in 0. So we get 0, 3 as our y-intercept. So that's something we're in a graph. We could also find the x-intercept. I'm not going to do that for this one because I don't want to go through the whole process of finding the possible rational roots. I think you can find it pretty easily, though. It's not too bad. So on your own, find the x-intercepts there. I just want to make sure we get to the meat of this. So we're going to start by finding the derivative. All right, and then we're going to find the critical numbers. So we're going to factor 3x, x minus 2. Critical numbers are 0 and 2. And we're going to set up our sign chart, because we want to know the characteristics of the graph. We plug in something smaller than 0, we get a positive, so it's increasing. We plug in something between 0 and 2, we get a negative, so it's decreasing. And bigger than 2, we get a positive, so it's increasing. All right, we now find a relative max and min, so relative max at 0, 3. Hey, look, we already found that point. And a relative min at 2, oh, gotta plug that all in. That's 8 minus 12, so negative 4 plus 3, negative 1. Okay, so there's our relative max, relative min, but we're not going to stop there. We also can find the second derivative. F double prime of x equals 6x minus 6. So we're going to find the critical numbers for this. Or, sorry, possible points of inflection. Our possible points of inflection are at 1. Now, this time when we set up the sign chart, we want to line it up as if we had put that point on the sign chart above. So 1 is between 0 and 2, so I'm going to line it up right here. We plug in something smaller than 1, we get a negative, concave down. Bigger than 1, we get a positive, concave up. Okay, so we have a point of inflection at 1, and we'll plug in 1. 1 minus 3 plus 3, we'll just get 1, 1. So this is what we have. Now I'm going to go ahead and copy this to the next page. We've got, I'll put it over here, 0, 2, 1, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, increasing, decreasing, increasing, concave down, concave up, okay? And then we want the coordinate points we found. So we found 0, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. We found 2, negative 1. Oops, wrong way. And we found 1, 1. All right, so looking at our sign chart, we can see that before 0, we're positive and increasing. Or sorry, positive and concave up. So we need to have, or concave down. So on this side, we're going to be increasing and concave up. Between 0 and 1, we're now decreasing, or sorry, increasing and concave down. Between 0 and 1, we're now decreasing and concave down. Between 1 and 2, we're decreasing and concave up. And then bigger than 2, we're increasing and concave up. So, increasing and concave down, we have a relative max there. Decreasing and concave down. Increasing and concave up, or concave down. No, decreasing and concave down, sorry, read that wrong. Decreasing concave down, and then increasing and concave up. And so we're able to create our graph. Ideally, we would have the x-intercepts here and here, but we don't. I didn't take the time to find those. And this is the whole idea behind this. You're going to see some more complicated problems when you work it on your own. If you're in class this day, we worked multiple together, but I just wanted to give you the basics in the video, and you can ask questions if you need. Have a great day.